Hello everyone, welcome to today's exciting video on survey payout. Okay, so most survey sites actually pays pennies, and sometimes you get kicked out right before your cash out. So many of us who have experienced this in survey, and if you are tired spending hours doing surveys, and then maybe you need an extra box in your pocket, this video and this platform is for you. So stay tuned as I walk you through the things that you are supposed to know before you can start earning on this website. Now, okay, in this particular video, I'm going to show you several, I think about 4 paper receipts, from this particular website, this particular uTest website. Okay, so just look at this first paper payout on your screen right now. So that is $24.5 from uTest. Okay, and this is not all, but at the end of this video, or by the end of this video, I'm going to display several or separate paper receipts totaling the amount of $154.5, from this particular website, to show you how consistent this platform is actually paying. Okay, so today I'm going to reveal to you the step by step on how uTest works and how to get selected for paid testing circles, and how to set up your device profile to bypass the waiting period. Some persons can register and also be on the waiting list. Okay, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass that. But here is a quick warning. Okay, if you are watching this video, I would like to say that even though I have a strategy to protect my setup, or let me say our setup strategy, from getting flagged, okay, the direct sign up link and my secret setup cheat method, okay, is going to be pinned, or let me say they are pinned in our Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section below this video, so that you can open it and can dive right into the setup. Okay, so now about this particular site, let's go straight to what you need to do. Okay, so once you are here, you just have to come click on this 3 dots. Okay, but if you don't want to go that far, you come to click on get started. Okay, so when you join this uTest, you are not going to fill out your demographic, like you're not going to fill out a demographic survey questionnaires. Okay, because you are testing real mobile apps, websites, and digital payment system from global tech companies. So here is an example of what you can do when you want to sign up. I'm just going to create an account, a free account. So let me create a free account here. Okay, so I'm going to put a random email. Okay, Okay, I'm going to put a random email address. Remember, this account is for the United States. If you can see it here, this is for the United States. Okay, you can as well register it from your respective country. Maybe in the UK, you can as well register from there. So I'm going to put a random email, or for the sake of YouTube policy, here you can just put in your email. I'm not going to put it here. You put in your email address here, you put in your date of birth, and then let's just say you put in your date of birth like this, and let me pause the video and then I'll put in an email. Okay, so when you are done with that, you click on you are going to click on this create account. Okay, so let's wait for this to load. I'm going to show you one mistake. Okay, there's one mistake that causes 90% of beginners to fail, when they register on this particular site. Okay, and then the mistake this is confirm your account. They've sent in an email to my email, the email that I use, and from that link I'm going to set up my password and I'm going to log in and continue from there. So let me pause this video for a while. Okay, so here's the email I got from uTest. Hello Peter, for security reasons, please verify your email address. Next, you set up a password for your uTest account like we saw then the last before I post the video. So I'm going to post it here and then verify this email and set up a password for my account. Remember, this account is for the purpose for this tutorial. Okay, so here I'm going to put in my password. Remember, the few things you need to know about this password is that it needs to be 10 characters long. It needs to be 10 characters long, and it needs to have one uppercase, and it needs to contain at least one lowercase, and must contain at least a number. Okay, so your email cannot, it's compulsory that it cannot contain your email address. Sorry, your password cannot contain your email address. For those who are always using their email as password, and I will show you what it means by having uppercase. If you don't know, now this is an example. This is an uppercase, and let me show you. This is an uppercase, and this is a lowercase. Okay, and it should come with a number, at least one number. You can see now it should be 10 characters long. Okay, so when you're done with the password, you click on select password, and this is going to take you to the login page. Okay, all right, so this is where we can log in. So at this point I'm going to put in my email address here. Okay, so I just got logged into this. This is the interface. Okay, so as you can see, I do not have a recent activity. Okay, so like I said, the mistake a lot of persons make is that 90% of them they face this failure because they don't fill out their hardware device profile correctly. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do that on my Telegram channel. Now, let's look at this $40 payment, sent on the 30th of March, June, 2026. Okay, so this is just for completing a specific project. Okay, now let's go back. Now, this company is a filter testers by the exact hardware device. Whether you have an Android phone or probably you have an iPhone or a Windows PC, okay, or a smart TV. You must add every single device on and your iOS or OS version in your profile. Okay, this is where you're going to do that. This place is where you're going to do that. This completes your profile. So you're going to do that, and then let's go to this take course at the academy. This is very important if you need to get more tests. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so let me click on take a course. Okay, let me click on the academy. So I'm going to click here, this navigation button here, which is going to take me to the academy. I'm going to click on the academy and I can start a course. Okay, so there are several courses here. These courses, they are very, very important. Okay, so now that you've joined the uTest and you've created an account, you won't get huge projects. Okay, so if I come to click on projects here, let me click on my dashboard project. So you won't get huge project invitations on the first day. Okay, so because you need to unlock, because you need to I don't need to do this. This also is security. It's just like two-factor authenticator, but if you cannot do it, you can just leave it like that. Okay, so these are different projects. Like you can see here, this is for $100, and then so this is also for $150. So if you need to unlock all these tests, they need to go through the you need to go through the academy. Okay, because the academy provides free practice tasks that teaches how to capture logs, okay, to report bugs and also submit test cases. Let me go back there, because you are going to get bugs, and then you're going to report them. So it is important for you to come to the academy to learn these things, but you don't need to worry much. Okay, I have summarized the fastest way to pass these academy models. It is very, very much okay. There's plenty here. You can see for screenshots, you need to submit test with screenshots, and there are functional tests for those who have done beta testing. I talked about that on my WhatsApp group. Those who have done beta testing, they understand what I mean by bugs. Okay, so but I've summarized the fastest way to pass the academy model in a one-page guide pinned inside our Telegram channel. Okay, so now let me go back to the dashboard. Let me go back to dashboard and then show you the last thing that you need to know here, the payment side. Okay, now this is the payment side. So what you have to do, let me click on the setup your payment. This is very important. If you want to start earning real money with uTest today, don't waste your time guessing the setup. Okay, just head straight to our Telegram channel. The link is pinned in the top comment below in the comment section. Okay, so here you get to be paid twice every month for from this uTest. Okay, now you can click on setup, payment methods configuration. Now I don't have any payment configuration on this account because it is new. So if I have a paper account, I can click on yes and then put in my paper email address here and then save it. If I don't have, I click on no and then I can begin to go to creating a paper account. Likewise, if you're looking for a way to create a paper account, you can also talk with us in the group. Okay, and they will help you, and in the Telegram channel will help you create a paper account. So you can click here whether you want the money to be paid in as British pounds or US dollar whatsoever. Okay, so inside the link you are going to see the direct sign up link on the Telegram channel. You see my profile configuration setup and also the academic sheet. Okay, so guys, drop a like if this video helped you, and also hit the subscribe button with notification on, and also grab the link in the telegram. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, also I would like you to share the video and stay put for the next update. Thank you for watching till the end, and I would also like to see your comments in the comment section and see that you are on the Telegram channel.